Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impressa C6 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we had to open up completely the entire machine, get inside the debrew unit, clean it, service it, then put it back together. We also had to fix a leak coming from the thermoblock on the right side of the machine. One of the hoses basically blew off and it ripped apart. We had to replace it and we test the machine. We did a whole de-scaling cycle with the panels off to make sure that hose was not leaking and we never see a leak. So we put it back together and then we did a remaining tests, clean a little bit around the machine, and this is where we are. So starting with one shot of espresso. We're gonna be testing this machine out. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam cappuccino function of the machine. We do have a hose over here, but we do not have milk. We're gonna be using milk cleaner with water. Okay, now let's test the cappuccino function of the machine. I put a little bit of water with a milk cleaner and I put a container on the bottom of the spouts. We're gonna see the water siphoning from here and turning itself into steam. We can increase or decrease the quantity of steam that we want. As you can see, this is just plain steam. But if we want to siphon water to here, we just twist this and it will automatically do it. Alright, now we stop itself, and if I and now we have the other spout dispensing the coffee into the cappuccino side. Nice steady stream coming out of the one. It's mixing with the soapy water, so it's not gonna look that great. But as you can see, it's working the way it's supposed to. We're also going to be testing the hot water, and as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming up from the spout. That is the quantity that the customer has programmed. And as you can see, steady stream, great quantity and great temperature. So there you have it, Jura Impressa C6 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.